Ultrasonic sensor by Anusha. Goal. My goal for this project was to create a home alarm using an ultrasonic sensor. Design. I put this together by connecting GPIO wires from the breadboard to the Raspberry Pi, connecting the LEDs to resistors, and connecting the ultrasonic sensor through the wires. To make my project, I used one breadboard, 6 LEDs, 9 resistors, 1 button, 1 ultrasonic sensor, 1 buzzer, 16 NF wires, and 1 Raspberry Pi. Program. I used loops and time to make my code. Test. I tested my project about 10 times, and some of the problems that occurred were incorrect wiring and failure in function of some of the parts. To solve the incorrect wiring, I fixed the wiring, and for the broken parts, I just used another part. Okay, rethink. If I had more time and I could rethink my project, I would add more LEDs and maybe another button to make my project better. Okay, play. When something comes in front of it, it should start beeping, and when you press a button, it resets.
Can you explain to us what's going on the screen?
So when it's like showing all the numbers, it's basically measuring the distance when it senses another object. So like if I put my hand here, it becomes 8, and before it was like 2,300. Okay, thank you.
Okay, let's give a round of applause.